Have you ever found yourself struggling to convert a string into an array in Python? It can be quite a hassle, especially when you're dealing with unexpected spaces and brackets. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we are going to solve this problem together. I completely understand your frustration. You have a string that looks like this: ABCD, ABC, AB, ABC, and you want to convert it into a clean array. But instead, you end up with spaces and brackets that just complicate things. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, "How can I split this string into an array without getting spaces and brackets?" They mentioned trying the split function but still facing issues with missing letters. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution. So, what's going on here? When you use the split function, it separates the string based on a specified delimiter, but it doesn't handle brackets or extra spaces automatically. This is a common issue when dealing with formatted strings, but don't worry, we will break it down step by step. And make sure to stick around. I have a quick and effective solution at the end that will make your string conversion a breeze. To convert the string into an array, the user should first remove the brackets from the string. This can be done using the string's replace method. Next, the user should split the clean string into individual elements. This can be achieved using the split method, specifying a comma as the delimiter. After splitting, the user will have an array with extra spaces around the elements. To clean this up, they can use a list comprehension to strip any leading or trailing spaces. Finally, the user will have a clean array ready for use. They can print the array to verify the result. Fun fact: did you know that Python was named after the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus? Just like the show, Python programming can be quite entertaining once you get the hang of it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a simple method to split the string into an array. They recommend slicing the string to remove the brackets and then using the split function to separate the elements by a comma and space. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using the eval function to convert the string directly into a list. They mention that if the values in the string are variables, this method is the easiest way to achieve the conversion. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. Another user offers a different approach to split the string into an array. They suggest slicing the string to remove the brackets and then using the split method to separate the elements by commas. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach to split a string into an array involves first removing the brackets from your string. Then, you can split the string by commas. Finally, use the strip method to eliminate any spaces from the resulting items. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using list comprehension to split the string. They suggest splitting the string by commas and then slicing each element to remove the leading bracket. Finally, they replace the closing bracket from the last element. Here's a pro tip. Always remember to handle your strings carefully. A little extra attention can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to convert a string into a clean array in Python. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And remember, practice makes perfect.